Hi, welcome to Open Hand Farm. Today I'm going to be making a breakfast quesadilla that actually could be eaten any meal. I saw this made on a pro cook show and oh my goodness, I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So yesterday I begged Mark to go to the store and get me some spinach and some smoky cheddar cheese so that I could make it. Let me show you this amazing quesadilla. Doesn't that look amazing? Well, let me tell you, it was all I had hoped it would be. I'm going to have more tomorrow morning for breakfast. So, if you knock on my door, I guess you can have one too. If you like this, be sure and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know what type of vegetables you would like on a quesadilla. Maybe I would too. Until next time, blessings on you and yours.